Hey guys, if your house is like mine, you might have a fireplace both upstairs and downstairs. When we moved into this house, we lit our fireplace for the first time, and we had an issue to where we turn this light on here. We lit our fireplace, and then not even a half hour later, our basement was getting smoked out. Drop these down here. And what the issue is, I'm gonna go through in this video. It took us a while to figure it out, but in a nutshell, we have both fireplaces are directly above and below each other. Okay, sorry. And so there's a fireplace here, and then downstairs there's another fireplace, and they share the same chimney. Okay. Two separate flues, but same chimney. And let me get out a pen and paper. I can show you a better visual of what I'm going to be talking about. So if we have a house, and it's got a nice cozy little, I'm going to give it a chimney here, and it's got a upstairs and downstairs. Upstairs has your little fireplace. There's my flames here. You got smoke going up the chimney. And it goes up the chimney, but it's got that flue, and then you have another fireplace down here that's not lit, and it goes up. And so you have a flue over here and a flue over here. This flue is for this chimney or this fireplace, and this flue is for this fireplace. If the smoke is going up, right, it's going up this fireplace, it's coming out like this, basically our issue was we lit the fire, smoke was going up, but we had almost a vacuum from the downstairs fireplace. It was sucking air in because of the way the airflow works. And so instead of the smoke going out, some of it would go out, but then some of it would also go there and then down, and it would get sucked out through this fireplace and go into our basement and kind of fill the basement with smoke. So I was like, okay, so what do you do? What's the solution here? And the solution that we came to was we light this fireplace first for about 5 minutes or so, just to generate enough heat to get rid of that vacuum. And once this has been lit for 5 minutes or so, now we can light this one and there's no smoke in the basement at all. Another solution that we came up with that we didn't do was that if you have your rooftop here and you have your chimney, right, and you have your two different flues here, you can get a riser cap, and you can make this one just a snippet higher. It might look a little goofy, I don't know, but that way when smoke does come out of this chimney, it won't be as likely to get sucked down. All right, so I'm in my basement now, and basically I want to show you the airflow. A simple test to check your airflow to see what direction it's blowing. I take a lighter. If you light your lighter, you hold it up, you can see the direction that the air is blowing. You can see how it's going towards the stairs right now. And so if the air is going that way, it means it's being sucked from that direction. And there's my fireplace right there. So it's getting sucked through. And so it's almost a vacuum sucking down from that chimney. And so when the fireplace is lit upstairs, it goes up that flue, it's sucked down, and smoky basement. Just to illustrate, we and this solution might be easier for me than other people, given that ours has fake wood and we can just light it. We don't have to throw any wood on. The one upstairs, we actually do have to throw logs on the fire. But this one, easy enough to light, so might as well just crank the gas on and light that bad boy. let her run for 5 minutes or so, and then we can start one upstairs. Honestly, it doesn't even have to be 5 minutes. I can probably go upstairs right now and light the other fire and we'd be fine. And you know what? I think that's what I'm gonna do. But if we did not have the fake wood in this fire, if this was an actual wood fire, I probably wouldn't light logs every single time I wanted to do a fire upstairs. If it was really that, if I had real logs in this fireplace, I probably would put the riser cap on the chimney. That'd probably be the easiest solution in that scenario. But you do you. Let's go light a fire upstairs.